videos. So today will be my dog is so annoying, I swear. What will we doing exactly? Right, so we'll be doing file descriptions and redirectionaries. I think the postman's here, that's why he's barking. So this is what we'll be doing today. And the question is asking us is how many files exist on the system that have the log file extensions. And then how many total packages are installed on the targeted system. Right. So we're going to do the same thing what we have been doing most of the day, which is the find. So what we're going to type in first is find, right, the type, we have to specify the type, the name, and then we're going to do star. I also figured out how the mic works, but I literally turned down the volume really low, so it's less grainy. And make sure you do the delete, thing, which I told you guys in the last video. Then no pipe. Come on, today will be done. PC L. And the answer we have is 32. So paste that in there and you'll be submitted and you'll be correct. This next one is how many total packages are installed on the targeted system. Alright, this should be too difficult. So we move up in the arrow and it should, this is where we are. Right. Next we have to do, that's completely different. DPKG list. Oh, that is a lot. Let me refine it. Should be able to. So we're going to do the same thing. DPKG -- list pipe load list L. It should give us the answer, right? 7.8, but it doesn't. What does it want us to do exactly? How many total packages are installed on the target system? Okay, but that could be showing. That's not okay. Right, so that means we have to specify it even more. I'll go to and do DPKG list pipe do grep, not rob grep, II python, no pipe VC tack it out. We're going to hear a C737. So the answer is 737, and that is how we complete the module. There's a lot of typing in this one, so hopefully this will help you understand after you read it and how everything structured works, file descriptions and redirections.